What's up, DB gang? So today I'm going to be working with Beauty Forever Hair off of Amazon, y'all. I will leave all the information down below in the description box. So we just going to jump right into what they sent over. When you guys get your package, it do come in a box like this. That box was also inside the shipping packaging. So y'all know I'm all about packaging. On the back of the box, there are some hair care tips. So I'm basically going to open the packaging for you guys. Inside the box, you do receive your wig. Also sent over some beautiful lashes, as well as a hair tie. That is all that came inside the box. Guys, this is a 13x6 lace frontal wig, and it is in Brazilian body wave, and it is also pre-plucked. It do have some tissue inside the wig. The wig do come in a hairnet. As y'all can see, the wig do have some baby hairs, and it's looking like this lace is a medium brown color. So I'm just going to turn the wig inside out. You do have a little bit of lace at the bottom of the wig. The wig do have a comb in the nape area, as well as adjustable straps. There is 2 combs on the side as well, and there is no comb in the crown area. You guys know I do not like that comb in the crown area, so I'm really happy that there's no comb there. And it is 150 density, and this wig is in the inches of 16 inches. This is the texture of the hair. Guys, I wanted to try something different and something unique, so I will be bleaching and coloring this hair. The products that I will be using is my BW2 as well as some 20 developer, as well as some 40 developer. Now the reason being that I'm using 40 and 20 developer is because I don't have a lot of 40 developer, so I'm just going to be mixing both of these developers. Hopefully I could get some type of highlights and lowlights in the wig. The colors that I will be using is ginger as well as crimson. Now I will be mixing both of these colors together, so definitely stay tuned. With the ginger, I'll probably add half and half on each side, and I'm also gonna go in with crimson, so I'll probably put a few drops. I'm basically just gonna eyeball it. color that I came up with. So guys, I am back. I finished coloring the hair. I did let the wig air dry overnight. I did accidentally delete the footage of me applying the color to this wig. I'm very upset about that. But after I showed you guys how I mixed the color, all I did was just section the wig section by section, and I just, you know, applied the, you know, the hair color from root to end. Once I was finished applying the hair color, I just let it sit in the wig for 15 minutes. I washed it out. I used the Shimmer and Light shampoo. I followed up with my OGX Argan Oil shampoo, as well as my OGX conditioner, and just let it air dry. But I will be doing another tutorial soon on how I achieve another color doing the same process. So make sure you guys turn on your post notification bell so you guys can stay tuned for that video. So this is basically how the color turns out. I really love the color of this hair. I really love the color of this wig, even though I did bleach the hair. The hair is not, you know, rough. I'm not getting any type of shedding, any tangle, any matting, no, nothing. I did go in and apply elastic band to this wig, so as y'all can see, this wig is fitting, you know, really snug on my head because I do glueless applications. I wear no glue when I use lace frontal wig. So the products that I'm going to be using is some Got To Be Glue hairspray. I'm going to be using my Lottie Body foaming lotion, as well as my Keracare wax stick, 2 types of scissors, an eyebrow razor just in case, some hair clips, as well as my Garnier Fructis hair oil, a paddle brush, my edge comb, and a flat iron. So I'm just gonna go in and style it. So I hope you guys enjoy this little tutorial. Finished look. I am loving how these curls turned out. This was my first time doing curls using a flat iron, and I have to say I feel like I did a really amazing good job. I love how the color turned out. Like I said, when I washed this hair, I didn't receive any type of shedding, no tangling, no matting. Everything was just perfect. Overall, I really love how this wig turned out. Guys, another slay. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to smash that like button, as well as smash that subscribe button, and turn on all your post notifications, so every time I upload a video, you guys can be notified. And like I always say, don't forget to be your own kind of you. Stay beautiful and stay blessed, and I'll talk to y'all later. Peace.